Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up the channel lock on your COOCAA CNTF2NZ TV. To do that, you have to press the menu button on your remote control, which is located in the top left corner of your D-pad. And after that, navigate through the settings menu using right and left arrow keys to navigate between these tabs. This way we want to reach the lock settings menu, and once you've reached it, scroll down using down arrow key and enable system lock first. To do that, highlight system lock option, press OK, and then enter the password. So if you didn't set a password previously, then use a default one. It can be either 1, 2, 3, 4 or 4 zeros. And after that, you're gonna have to press OK once again to enable system lock. Then to select the channels that you want to lock with this password, go to channel lock section. Here you'll see the list of channels. Using down and up arrow keys, you'll be able to navigate between them. And to lock a specific channel, press OK button on your remote control, then menu to go back. And whenever you want to disable system lock, which will disable your channel lock too, just go to the system lock option, press OK button. It will switch its value to off, and optionally, well, if you re-enter this menu after a while, you're also gonna have to enter the password to do this. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.